Welcome back. We are still on the topic straight lines. In the previous video, we solved a question on finding the equation of a straight line when it is perpendicular to another straight line with known equation. In this video, we are going to solve another question. The question for this video is: find the equation of the line which passes through the point 2 minus 3 and perpendicular to the line y minus 3x is equal to 0. So this straight line passes through the point 2 minus 3, and at the same time it is perpendicular to the line y minus 3x is equal to 0. We have learned that if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of their gradients is minus 1. So if you multiply the gradient of the first line by the gradient of the second line, we are going to get minus 1. It means that the gradient of the line passing through the point 2 minus 3 times the gradient of the line y minus 3x is equal to 0 will give us minus 1. So if you're able to find the gradient of the line y minus 3x is equal to 0, and we multiply it by the gradient of the line passing through the point 2 minus 3, we will get minus 1. With that formula, we can find the gradient of the line passing through the point 2 minus 3. With the gradient and the point 2 minus 3, we can find the equation of the line. We are going to represent the gradient of the line y minus 3x is equal to 0 with m1. We will represent the gradient of the line that passes through the point 2 minus 3 with m2. We have seen that these two lines are perpendicular to each other. So m1 times m2 is equal to minus 1. Let's find m1. The equation of the line is y minus 3x is equal to 0. We want to find the gradient of this line. We know that in order to do that, we will have to compare it with the general equation of a straight line, which is of the form y is equal to ms plus c. So we will first have to express this equation in this form. This will give us y is equal to 3x. Y is equal to 3x is the same as y is equal to 3x plus 0. So y is equal to 3x plus 0. Now, if you compare this with the general equation of a straight line, we can see that m, which is the gradient of the straight line, is 3. So by comparison, we can see that m is 3. Remember that we have represented the gradient of the line y minus 3x is equal to 0 with m1. So here, m1, which is the gradient of the line y minus 3x is equal to 0, will give us 3. We have seen that m1 times m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 is 3, so you have 3 times m2 is equal to minus 1. You divide both sides by 3, and m2 will give us minus 1 divided by 3. So we now have the gradient of the line. We have the gradient of the line to be minus 1 divided by 3, and we are told that the line passes through the point 2 minus 3. So with the gradient and the point 2 minus 3, we can find the equation of the line. We are going to use the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into brackets x minus x1. y1 is minus 3, x1 is 2, m is minus 1 divided by 3. We substitute this information into the formula, and this will give us y plus 3, because y minus 3 is the same as y plus 3. So we have y plus 3 is equal to minus 1 divided by 3 into bracket x minus x1, which is 2. We have y plus 3 is equal to minus 1 divided by 3 into bracket x minus 2. We have a fraction. We will cancel out the fraction by multiplying through by the LCM of the denominator. There is only one fraction, so the LCM of the denominator will be the same as the denominator, which is 3. So you multiply the left hand side by 3, and you multiply the right hand side by 3. This will give us 3 into bracket y plus 3. Y plus 3 is a binomial, so if you are multiplying 3 by y plus 3, you have to put y plus 3 in a bracket. So we have 3 into brackets y plus 3 is equal to minus 3 times 1 divided by 3 into brackets x minus 2. 3 and 3 will cancel out. So you have 3 times y will give us 3y. 3 times 3 will give us 9. When 3 and 3 cancels out, we are going to have minus 1 times 1. That will give us minus 1. So we have minus 1 into brackets x minus 2. We open this bracket. We will have 3y plus 9 is equal to minus 1 times x will give us minus x, minus 1 times minus 2 will give us positive 2. I'm going to group all the terms on one side of the equation, and I want the coefficient of x to be positive. So I will send minus x and 2 from the right hand side to the left hand side. And this will give us x plus 3y plus 9 minus 2 is equal to 0. We simplify this further and we have x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So the equation of the line passing through the point 2 minus 3 and perpendicular to the line y minus 3x is equal to 0 is x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos by clicking on the red subscribe button that you see. In the next video, we are going to learn how to determine whether or not a point falls on a straight line when we are given the equation of the line. Bye-bye.